Excess estrogen is a hormone that can cause several symptoms, including headaches, mood swings, and weight gain. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's essential to get checked out by a doctor. 1. Gaining weight. If you're noticing that your weight is going up and you don't have any other symptoms, it's time to get checked for high estrogen levels. Estrogen is a hormone responsible for regulating the growth and development of the female body. It plays an essential role in women's overall health, and too much of it can lead to problems like gaining weight. 2. Insomnia. If you're experiencing problems with your sleep, it's essential to get checked out by a doctor. Estrogen levels can be one of the factors that contribute to disrupted sleep patterns, and if they're too high, it can lead to insomnia. 3. Bloating. If you're experiencing bloating or discomfort, it's essential to check your estrogen levels. Elevated estrogen levels can cause various problems, including bloating and other abdominal pain. 4. Fatigue. If you're feeling a lot of fatigue lately, it might be worth checking your estrogen levels. Estrogen is essential for women in both their lives' reproductive and non-reproductive phases. It plays a role in regulating many processes in the body, including energy levels, moods, and sexual function. 5. Loss of scalp hair. If estrogen levels are high, the hair on your scalp may start to fall out. This is because the hormone will interfere with the growth of hair follicles. 6. Depression. If you're feeling down and your estrogen levels are high, you might suffer from depression. Estrogen is a hormone responsible for the development of female reproductive organs, and it also plays a role in mood and happiness. 7. Breast swelling and tenderness. One sign that estrogen levels may be too high is swelling and tenderness in your breasts. This can often occur due to an increase in hormone production, which can happen when there's an imbalance in the levels of estrogen and progesterone. In addition, you may also experience pain when you move your breasts or when you try to take off your clothes. 8. Headache. If you're experiencing headaches, it's a good idea to check your estrogen levels. Estrogen is a hormone produced during the menstrual cycle and plays an essential role in women's health. However, high levels of estrogen can lead to headaches and other problems. 9. Low libido. Too much estrogen can harm your sex drive due to high estrogen levels. This can lead to problems with lubrication, anorgasmia, inability to achieve orgasm, and decreased satisfaction from sexual activity. In extreme cases, it can even cause infertility. As you can see from the list above, there are plenty of signs that a woman may suffer from excess estrogen. While some may not seem like a big deal at first glance, they can affect your health in many ways if left unchecked. To prevent any health issues related to this hormone, it is essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle and control your stress levels. If you notice these signs in yourself or someone close to you, consult a doctor immediately. Also, do regular checkups if you want to stay healthy.